If you are looking for easy, fresh Blackberry recipes, this gluten-free Blackberry Muffins recipe is a hit. These are dairy-free, sugar-free Blackberry Muffins too. And if you want to know how to eat healthy and improve gut health, this is a great recipe to try. Healthy is simple. Let's get started by first preheating the oven to 400 degrees, and then in a mixing bowl combine 2.5 cups almond flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup monk fruit or coconut sugar, and then whisk it together. Then add 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter or avocado oil, 2 eggs, 3 drops of lemon essential oil, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then, again, combine it with a whisk. I like to start in the middle first and then bring it to the outsides and combine it there. And once it's completely combined, we are going to go to another bowl and we're going to add 1 rounded cup of fresh blackberries and then cut them up. You can do that with 2 knives or you can mash them in some way. I don't like to mash them too much because they get too juicy. And then we're going to add this to our batter. Just spoon it on and stir it in. And I like to do this kind of carefully. We want it a little bit marbled, and so do it very carefully. Then that's all there is to it. Just fill your muffin cups, dividing them equally in 12 different cups, and it's ready to go in the oven. So putting it in the oven, we are going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes, and it is ready to eat. Let them cool. They are so delicious. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.